right place to them, man. You can buy one drinks from the shopkeeper and or them sell water too, so depends on what you prefer.
What you have to drink, Mom? Oh God, I'm thirsty.
You look like you're more than thirsty and not drinks you're thirsty for, you know. But anyway, Chappy, give her drinks there.
Can I drink everyone?
Just give her anything she want. Me go and talk to her.
You have Pepsi.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I drink a well cold Pepsi. It's a long time I don't drink a Pepsi, you know, man.
Yeah, give her Pepsi. Give her one cold and one hot, because she gonna need it. I like how you smile now. You know,
You're too nice.
Don't worry yourself, man. One cold one and one hot one. Alright? And give me a ramen for myself. I'm strength up myself. You know, go? Alright.
So you walk with so much money, enough for them rob you?
No, you know. You see, with a youth, I travel with it just in case. I need it.
Okay. A ramen you go eat?
Yeah, man. Because I'm a single warrior, you know.
No, man. A good man like you should have a woman a cooking dinner coming to right now.
Yeah, most of them young girls that can't really cook still, you know. So I don't trust my belly with young people. You see, like Shappy, if I like she went in near me hard, but I get her food cooking, but young girl can't cook. They can't bathe themselves properly.
So you know what a woman that can cook and bathe you?
Yeah, man, that can work, but not really cook.
So your money come back here.
Yeah.
It's short of $50.
Thank you.
Can I so Pepsi get there?
Everything dear here. This is Jamaica. So, you're good though?
Yeah, man, me alright, man. Me just come look for my cousin, but
So you still just you look hot though, like you
well, I know me. I tell you, say me come look for my cousin, but my neighbor them say she moved gone off foreign, so me not even know me go sleep tonight.
I look a place I can catch you there, you know, but don't touch me. Because at my time of the month, people me keep myself away from certain things.
So you just going to invite a stranger in your house, so you're not afraid of me?
I'm not afraid of people, but afraid of me.
Oh, okay.
You know me? Do you know my name?
What your name?
I'm fire.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you get burned. I like your laugh though. Come and show family. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Serious?
Yeah, man, I'm serious thing, man.
Yo, hey, Bruk.
Yeah, man.
Doing good.
Yeah, man.
Performative. Yo, hey, Bruk. Thing go.
So you know hear what go on?
No, what one?
Boy, me I tell you say, me say one nice black girl escape from the prison. You know? I mean say in the area in the.
When she I went to chase break.
Boy, you know something I know the part there though. Yeah, so you have to watch yourself.
So, as we say now, so we watch out. So me I watch out, you know. But I'm telling you, well, watch out is a good thing, you know. But you know, say I and I don't really keep like company thing. You understand? So, when she come around, you know, say I might not talk to her, you know, but I might say hi and bye and that's it. Nobody and thank you cannot break no square, brother. You understand? So, you ever talk to her yet? You know her? Good.
No, so I don't know her. I hear what go on, so I just give you update, you see me?
Alright, respect our manners, you know.
Ah, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, nothing, man.
Yeah.
Respect. Can't believe what I'm saying. That girl escaped from prison.
Fire! 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 Hello? Aquana. Yeah, Aquana. No man. Them release me. Hillary pardon me because them did say something about woman empowerment and she choose me. Yes, come on the news. So me there. I'm want to see my pitney. Me miss him. No, me not sick. I'm alright now. My head alright. The doctor clear me and say I'm good. And I find one nice man down here. Me soon tell you which one of them man when me take a bus come look for you. Yes, just listen to me and I say I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Doctor said me alright, him clear me. Me go call you back later because my credit are done now. The woman just tell me say me have 1 minute. A WhatsApp. The phone a break up. So me call you back. It a break up. Alright, look, come on, me check it. Oh, I pray. Remember the same thing. I read about one night man on the road man. I tell about the same girl I to get to. Yeah. This me find on the road man. Yeah. So I wonder say if a tree show it down, you see me? I live it on the roadside.
Well, must she show it down man. Because for you say no. She escaped from prison.
Yes.
You come find it for her. You know she man. She just drop it off you know. Because she don't want to find her again, you understand?
So alright, I want to run from the shop. I come out there.
Yeah man, she Drop it down.
So, how am I do it?
Well, yo, you know what? Yeah, bond it, you know. I just show it, right? Or something, whatever you do with it, you don't know, you know. You understand? You give a mad somebody or whatever, you understand? It doesn't make sense to you give mad somebody, you know, because you know, say, no, when you see them, you know, they are always like, no, how can I different piece of clothes, you understand? So dash them with right now and them see them, so them gone with it. You understand? So you look true. Just try to get rid of it, you know, youth. You understand? Just try not to get the evidence off your hand, you know?
Nothing for it in there.
But you know, say, if you know, nobody see you with it in a bar,
you know, say I real pretty though.
so you try to get rid of it, man. Try to make sure you run it on and run it within the hand, brother. Make sure you try it out somewhere. Or you one back to the stick, you know.
Alright.
So do what I say.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright, so.
Hey, man, you bust me there, nah?
Why Japanese? I want it in your hand.
You know, say I want a shirt, I find out, but I want to keep it. By the way, what you question? So, me and your friend?
So I can't question you.
Oh, you question, man. Me and your friend?
Anyways, I don't think if you keep that because that don't look right for you find something I read and I can't come around.
You know, something to talk to you, though. Don't want to know about the bar. Listen, a practice. So, you know, say, I want a girl near say escape from prison. You see me? So, it's like, me I wonder if she escape and dash this on the road, because out of the shop me I come from, I go buy a jeans. You see me? And me I come out of the shop and I see it. You see me? So, I take up here now and go link my virgin because I that talk about it. And them say if that show it make sense, me keep it. You see me? So, matter of fact though, you see show things in that tree like you want to bust somebody head and make mommy go spend one half. But cut off of that still. You see nobody change in that era?
No, I don't see nobody.
You see no strange girl where you don't know in that era?
No.
Alright then. You good though?
Yeah, me alright. I just some plum me did the pick.
Alright then, I go up a yard so look come out the way yard but mine you know.
Yeah.
Alright, cause mommy not no money. Even moment.
Evelyn, oi. Mr. Big Man, come right back here, so. Come right here, so. Where you coming from?
I done your road medical link on my bridging.
Friend. You start link friend now. Okay. So it look like I say, you is not my son, you is my man. Because you start grow beard on your face. You get too bright. Don't start it. Because you know, say, for your mama, no pretty. Where the hell they come from? From me looking here, I see a liar they tell. Where they come from?
So me and my friend me go link and I know I go business.
Link friend.
I want to pray me go show him because I'm that talk about something so I go link him and tell him.
Are something pertaining to your education?
No,
Are something pertaining to music when me hear they talk about?
no I need none of that.
Well, I hope I don't know thieving things, you know they plan to go thief.
No sir, mommy.
So make your eye hand back of you. I want me. You're woman where you put your hand back of yourself for every minute. I want me. So you carry around one here and I lick one. Make me see your hand. Can't trust them. Let me see your prison clothes. Where you get this from? You did your jail? For the few little hours when me left from you going to jail and come out back? Where did they?
I down your road me find it down in the shop. When me I come out of the shop, me see it down your road.
No man, me have to go check you out at one church. You really need a pastor to pray for you. You pass, let it go. You pass on road and see people dirty garbage and take up the crosses come out your yard. The blood of Jesus. Me no want no rubbish in here, no garbage, no pick up no crosses and care come in here. You look like you're mad. And mad people walk and pick up. Little boy, something wrong with you? Eh? No bother with it. A prison you want go? I start me say the kid don't find yourself and you're not reaching away yet. That friend there who you they talk about? Why name?
Ricky.
Ricky my backside. Eh? So Ricky I lead you astray.
Ricky now lead me and me go tell him something.
Okay. So I saw some of we parents though. Take up for we pitney. While at the pitney where we have they give the trouble and okay, thank you very much. Are you are the problem and I go lead Ricky astray?
And nothing like that.
That's why some of we mother fi take up uno in a hand. Because we they take up for uno and I uno a problem. You not come make me bite off me ears. And you not come bite it off neither. You're not, what me just say, I can repeat back me ears. You're not come make me bite off my own ears, the praise of my mouth could have reached around there, and you will never bite off my ears.
Yes, sir. I understand that, sir.
You see, pitney like you know? Let me tell you something if you never know. You're not listen. You're hearing because you're not deaf. But you do not listen. That's why you're not learn. There's pitney poo-poo lily. And if you don't hear me, you go feel it. Move from in front, go around there, so move from in front of me.
Mommy, I cook.
You love your belly too much, that's why you got big, so grow on so. Where they come from, you know, name there. You go check your friend, Ricky. Ricky no give you nothing for name. You better you won't tell me, say you go check a girl. You go tell me, boy, you go check man. For what? And walk on the road and I pick up dirty crosses, clothes, guy in here. Boy, if me lick your poopa tan in there and feel it. Come around the bus so you do, if you name out the food out of pot and bounce your ass. Walk down my back, right?
What we are going to do today now? Why you love to take up garbage for lesson, man?
No, man, no, this looks so... Looks so like a prison suit.
Me, them a go around and look for somebody, you know.
That me here too.
Some no know how walk one. Go fold it out and see. Hide for true. See all the ward number on it there. A real prison clothes, you know. We are go back. Hey! I walk down the road and I see you, sir.
See what? See what?
I don't know, me.
What lady what is this?
I don't know, lady, sir.
You don't know which lady?
I don't know who lady is.
Are you take care far?
I don't mean to get home to take it off her, sir.
You don't know where she gone?
I don't know who is she.
Where your father?
Fire.
Fire?
Yeah.
Rasta?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are count to 5. Make sure you take your time walk up, sir. Don't go and go. 1, 5. Hello. Report to the shop here. Hello, Officer Lang is here. I'm looking for a lady that was in this police suit. You don't talk, ma'am? You know what? Give me something over there to drink. Because you come like a tech officer for a ramping, you know. Anything you can give, because I'm not paying, you know.
You want water?
No, officer, no, we don't drink.
I'll give you some water.
No, we don't drink water.
Well, this shop here, you have to pay when you come here.
I'm an officer of the law.
I hear.
I can write you up.
I know you can. Here's a tall glass of water, no charge.
Listen, I'm an officer of the law.
Yeah.
So it better you give me Arizona, else I will write you up.
Are you gonna pay, right?
You want the right or you want the left? All right.
What flavor you want?
Give me the tonic energy.
Here you go.
You come and give police water.
You gonna share with me? Open and share. You must learn to share. Because you don't tip the bartender, you know, so share. Let's drink the juice together. You drink first! Oh my God! Really?
You want to share my juice, but me come in here to share the information with the woman. You don't want to share it.
Alright, officer, have a good day.
Same to you.
I'm gonna show something now. You do that. Okay, I shoot you. We can shoot you Santa. Hello. Hello, give us 5 minutes, please. Thank you. Just 5 minutes, thank you. Rough. They are work. Hey, guess what now? Thank you for the support so far. This is public report for your advice. Hey, I am so happy, you know what I mean? But guess what, man? Happy when post this, don't vex with me, please. It's a short film, all right? So don't vex with me. This is called, I don't even know yet, to be honest with you. But I'm working. I don't even know. That's nice. But guess what? I'm working on Good Girl Gone Bad because there's been so much requests. Because I'm telling you, I'm read the comments. You know, and everybody said, part two, please. I mean, have to drop it. You know what I mean? So Amanda, you know, not here right now, so I work on certain little things, but me have to drop this little video for you know, say, hey, I appreciate you, I appreciate the comments, and just keep doing the thing, because me I keep doing my thing for support the entertaining world of mine. Right? So guess what? This is public report, you know what I mean? And my journey is our journey now. Alright? So bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Alright?